What's going on today? So today is March 17th, 2022. Please note that there is still room to register for the exam. If you haven't registered yet, the deadline is approaching. So we have up until March 28th. So about give or take 10 more days for registration. Another thing on the agenda includes well yeah. So before I dive into the details, as you can see in the background, today is the um, St. Patrick's Day. So those of you who celebrate St. Patty's, happy St. Patrick's. I cannot wear the hat because the hat is not compatible with my headphones. But this is also a good chance to review the holidays that are out there. Speaking of the St. Patty's Day, so I wanted to remind 101.6. This is a list of holidays which are out there. As you can see today, which is the March 17th, is not on the list of national holidays. Uh, so so uh, so, so please be mindful of those days as they are being tested on the exam. All right. Also, I'm going to deviate a little bit from the standard review of the exam that I have been doing, simply because I had a request to cover a particular question from the April 2021 exam. So, as you recall, by way of reminder, we had been going through the October 2021 exam as question by question from question one, moving on forward. Now we will still come back to that, but I think the question that was requested for me to cover during the stream is pretty good, and I'm just going to do that.